Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how to use mark tag in HTML language. So let's copy some text and now we can add this text as a paragraph. Now close it. So now if we want to highlight some word or sentence, then we can use mark tag. So for example, I want to highlight here some words. Just we can add here mark tag, and now we can close this tag at this point. Now let's save, and after that let's execute this code. So here you can see these words are highlighted with yellow background. So mark tag is used to highlight the text in HTML language.